How to log in or sign in to Disney Plus account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'll show you how to log into your Disney Plus account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in disneyplus.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of Disney Plus, from where you need to first locate the login button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Then this will direct you to the login portal, from where you need to first enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field. Then click on the continue button, and next you will be prompted to enter your password associated with your Disney Plus account. If you can't recall your password, click on the forgot password link below the login button for the assistance and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After correctly entering your password, click on the login button, and you will then be able to access your Disney Plus account and start watching your favorite shows and movies. So this is how you can log in into your Disney Plus account using your email address and password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.